Hello guys and welcome to Hakmen Traders. In this video I will be showing to you guys when is a good time to start trading in the stock market. So and what should you do before starting to trade or starting to invest in the stock market. Now these two questions are the most powerful, and I will be explaining this to you these two questions in this video. So let's get started. Now the timing is that before starting in when should you start in the for the first question, when should you start trading in the stock market. Now when you feel that you've acquired much knowledge and you know that this knowledge is enough for trading in the stock market, and it will help me in uplifting my or gaining much knowledge, much experience before trading while trading in the stock market. Trading in the stock market is not about making profits and all of that. It is all about enjoying the ride, enjoying the journey. So you can see that this is a journey of the stock market, of stocks. So enjoy it. And how can you, and while acquiring knowledge about the stock market. Now I acquired much knowledge about the stock market either from YouTube, from books as well. The two main books that I've read for trading in the stock markets are, one is the Intelligent Investors and the other is the Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John J. Murphy, and the other the Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. So I've read these two books, and the other thing is that I've watched videos on YouTube, maybe read charts, did my analysis. So that is the one way that I've acquired knowledge of before starting to trade in the stock market. Now this was the method that I've used. Maybe you use that method as well. Maybe you come up with your own trading. And also the way that before I started trading in the stock market, before I didn't open my account. I've just looked at chart, drew lines and all of that stuff, and did my own come up with my own strategies and firm, and did my own analysis of how this stock will perform. So that is the method that I've used before starting to trade in the stock market. And after that, when I've acquired much knowledge, then I've went to the broker and opened up my account. So those were the two methods that I've used before. Those were the methods that I've used before trading in the stock market. Both of them helped me a lot, and I prefer the same to you guys, that you acquire first before starting to start trading in the stock market. Just go ahead and acquire knowledge about stocks, and acquire much knowledge about the stocks, that it will help you later on, and you will benefit from it. The other question, I will come to the other question, is that what should you do before starting to trade in the stock market. Now before starting to trade in the stock market, for the first is that you acquire knowledge, and the second is that you gain that you must have some money on in hand. You must have some cash in hand, and that cash might not be from your emergency fund or something like that, from your savings. That money should be completely set aside from those money that you do not need. Always, if you are not sure about the stock market, or you do not have much experience, you've acquired the knowledge but can't apply that to your trading, well, that's great. That's not a big deal. Go ahead and open up a demo account in some of the maybe in the forex market or something like that, and then when you've learned, you know that you can further trade, come to stocks and then invest in the stock market. Or what you can do is invest with low capital. Invest small. Do not invest heavy sums of money. Invest with small amount of money, that if you lost, you won't have to worry about it. You won't have to worry about, because you have invested with too much low money, and that cost you little to bear. So that these were the two questions that I've answered. Now when you are trading in the stock market, do not forget to use your risk management, your risk margin. Do not forget to use your calculate your take profits and your risk margin, all of that. Do not forget to use different strategies at different times, because when you and one more thing about the stock market is that patience is the key. That you must have to be patient while applying while executing a certain strategy. All of the strategies works only the stock market is unpredictable, because the stock market is unpredictable because you you will say that it is going it will be an uptrend and it becomes a downtrend. So in that manner it does not fulfill by your assumptions or by your needs. Sometimes that can happen, but sometimes it can be uh, it cannot be false. Now in this case, as you can see, this was triple tops, and this is a resistance level. As it broke, it went up but did not continue its upward momentum. It again came back down. So I guess this is a false breakout. In this case, this is a false breakout. Some people might say that this is a downtrend, but I would say that this is a false breakout and will continue its upward motion. So these are some of the things that you'll have to know before trading in the stock market. Always, before starting to trade in the stock market, acquire knowledge, acquire much knowledge that you feel now that when you feel now that this now is the time to invest, to further to take a step to start trade in the stock market. Now there are many companies listed in the stock market, and out of those companies you will be doing your research, and you will be doing your research before uh, trading in the before doing you will be doing your research and picking up stocks for your for your to give you better results. Now these were some of the things that you might consider before trading in the stock market. You should also find a you should all sorry about that you should find a relevant platform that will help you in recognizing different strategies and doing different things in the stock market. Now mine is investing.com. I use this, this works better for me, and I'm comfortable using this platform. All of these things account for trading in the stock market. When you know when you've acquired much knowledge and you know that these indicators, and you properly understand the functioning of the indicators and the tools, and fully understand the different strategies, then enter into the stock market, start trading. And I hope and I wish you good luck for trading in the when you start trading in the stock market. And that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.